Today, we will talk about how you can start a business of good. Starting a business is one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences you can have. But where do you begin? There are several ways to approach creating a business, with many important considerations. To help take the guesswork out of the process and improve your chances of success, follow our comprehensive guide on how to start a business. We'll walk you through each step of the process, from defining your business idea to registering, launching, and growing your business. 1. Determine your business concept. Most business advice tells you to monetize what you love, but it misses two other very important elements. It needs to be profitable and something you're good at. For example, you may love music, but how viable is your business idea if you're not a great singer or songwriter? Maybe you love making soap and want to open a soap shop in your small town that already has 3 close by. It won't be easy to corner the market when you're creating the same product as other nearby stores. If you already have an idea, they might help you expand it. Once you have your idea, measure it against whether you're good at it and if it's profitable. Your business idea also doesn't have to be the next Scrub Daddy or Squatty Potty. Instead, you can take an existing product and improve upon it. You can also sell a digital product so there's little overhead. 2. Research your competitors and market. Most entrepreneurs spend more time on their products than they do getting to know the competition. If you ever apply for outside funding, the potential lender or partner wants to know what sets you or your business idea apart. If market analysis indicates your product or service is saturated in your area, see if you can think of a different approach. Take housekeeping, for example. Rather than general cleaning services, you might specialize in homes with pets or focus on garage cleanups. Primary research. The first stage of any competition study is primary research, which entails obtaining data directly from potential customers, rather than basing your conclusions on past data. You can use questionnaires, surveys, and interviews to learn what consumers want. Surveying friends and family isn't recommended unless they're your target market. People who say they buy something and people who do are very different. The last thing you want is to take so much stock in what they say, create the product, and flop when you try to sell it because all of the people who said they'd buy it don't, because the product isn't something they'd actually buy. 3. Create your business plan. A business plan is a dynamic document that serves as a roadmap for establishing a new business. This document makes it simple for potential investors, financial institutions, and company management to understand and absorb. Even if you intend to self-finance, a business plan can help you flesh out your idea and spot potential problems. Come up with an exit strategy. An exit strategy is important for any business that is seeking funding because it outlines how you'll sell the company or transfer ownership if you decide to retire or move on to other projects. An exit strategy also allows you to get the most value out of your business when it's time to sell. There are a few different options for exiting a business, and the best option for you depends on your goals and circumstances. 4. Choose your business structure. When structuring your business, it's essential to consider how each structure impacts the amount of taxes you owe, daily operations, and whether your personal assets are at risk. Sole proprietorship. If you start a solo business, you might consider a sole proprietorship. The company and the owner, for legal and tax purposes, are considered the same. The business owner assumes liability for the business. So, if the business fails, the owner is personally and financially responsible for all business debts. 5. Register your business and get licenses. There are several legal issues to address when starting a business after choosing the business structure. The following is a good checklist of items to consider when establishing your business. Choose your business name. Make it memorable, but not too difficult. Choose the same domain name, if available, to establish your internet presence. A business name cannot be the same as another registered company in your state, nor can it infringe on another trademark or service mark that is already registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. 6. Get your finances in order. Open a business bank account. Keep your business and personal finances separate. Here's how to choose a business checking account and why separate business accounts are essential. When you open a business bank account, you'll need to provide your business name, and your business tax identification number, EIN. This business bank account can be used for your business transactions, such as paying suppliers or invoicing customers. Most times, a bank will require a separate business bank account to issue a business loan or line of credit. Hire a bookkeeper or get accounting software. If you sell a product, you need an inventory function in your accounting software to manage and track inventory. The software should have ledger and journal entries and the ability to generate financial statements. 7. Fund your business. There are many different ways to fund your business. Some require considerable effort, while others are easier to obtain. Two categories of funding exist: internal and external. Small businesses may have to use a combination of several sources of capital. Consider how much money is needed, how long it will take before the company can repay it, and how risk-tolerant you are. No matter which source you use, plan for profit. It's far better to take home 6 figures than make 7 figures and only keep $80,000 of it. 8. Apply for business insurance. You need to have insurance for your business, even if it's a home-based business or you don't have any employees. The type of insurance you need depends on your business model and what risks you face. You might need more than one type of policy, and you might need additional coverage as your business grows. In most states, workers' compensation insurance is required by law if you have employees. Work with an agent to get insured. An insurance agent can help determine what coverages are appropriate for your business and find policies from insurers that offer the best rates. An independent insurance agent represents several different insurers, so they can shop around for the best rates and coverage options. 9. Get the right business tools. Business tools can help make your life easier and make your business run more smoothly. The right tools can help you save time, automate tasks, and make better decisions. Accounting software. Track your business income and expenses, prepare financial statements, and file taxes. Examples include QuickBooks and FreshBooks. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) software. This will help you manage your customer relationships, track sales and marketing data, and automate tasks like customer service and follow-ups. Examples include Zoho CRM and Monday.com. 10. Market your business. Many business owners spend so much money creating their products that there isn't a marketing budget by the time they launched. Alternatively, they've spent so much time developing the product that marketing is an afterthought. Create a website. Even if you're a brick-and-mortar business, a web presence is essential. Creating a website doesn't take long, either. You can have one done in as little as a weekend. You can make a standard informational website or an e-commerce site where you sell products online. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.